Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video we are going to talk about all about file selection. So how many ways you can select your file. So I'm going to show you the all process how you can select your file, folder and more. First I'm going to open my folder from here. You can see video file and text file. First we are going to use this one. Then I'm going to talk about keyboard shortcut and other process. So if I select all, it will be select all my file, and if I click on select none, it will be clear my selected file. And inverse selection, if I select this one and select all, now this time you can see this file is not selected because of inverse selection. I'm going to show you again. Select invert file. Now I select this one. Now this time you can see it's not selected. So use of mouse, you can also select your file. Right click on your mouse, hold it and drag like this. You can easily select your file and folder. Then with control you can also select multiple file. Press Ctrl and hold it and select file like this. Or if you want easy way, then you can use Shift. Hold Shift, click first file and hold Shift in the last. It will be select all your file. Or if you want to customize your selection, then press Ctrl, and if you want to deselect any folder and file, you can easily deselect this like this. With Ctrl, I can easily deselect my file and folder. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos.